He has to be cuffed. They're not gonna put an uncuffed suspect in the back of a police car. You think bro finna turn around and boom, like, come on, bro, and hit you? Come on, bro.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
YouTube, back, another reaction video. Today's video we got a Florida deputy shoots an unarmed man after mistaking a falling acorn for a gunshot, bro. A gunshot. A falling acorn for a gunshot. We're gonna do too much talking. We're gonna share this video. Currently live on Kick still. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe if you're on this channel. My dog just walked in. Make sure you get your blunt and split whatever game you can get. Finishing this off from last video. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. Let's get right into it, man.
I've been asking all night, can I get my car back? Like, I don't care about the argument. I don't even know what the argument is about. I just want my car. I don't want to deal with anything. I know anytime we get into it, whether I'm right or wrong, he puts his hands on me or he threatens to put his hands on me. It gets
Okay, so just
very...
based off, I don't know if they gotta be the friend, bro. Based off my observation, right? I feel like she wanted to call the cops, but her friend overly hyped her head to call the cops. This is probably her first time calling the cops on her boyfriend.
violent. There he is.
In your car or walking up?
He's walking.
What bro head though? Oh, there's something right there? I can see him in here. But still though, bro. An acorn, bro? Come on, bro. Like, I still can't process that in my head. A fallen acorn. Even if it fall on a hood, don't start a gunshot, bro. A gunshot that close, you're gonna, unless it's a 9, you're gonna be damn near deaf. Damn near. Not fully because you're not right up on it, like you're not the shooter, but you're gonna be damn near deaf, bro. The acorn ain't gonna make you damn near deaf, bro. I don't understand how you mistake that. How?
She pretty much like we're in a relationship. Yeah.
Pat him down, please.
But again, yeah, I was gonna say that based off his appearance, I could see him having a gun on him. But you know,
Pat him down.
What I'm getting patted down for?
Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Okay.
What I'm getting patted down for?
Because you're getting patted down.
Why?
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, I don't have no weapons
Okay.
on me. What's out like that?
sagging, all black. You know what I'm saying? May say, oh, I'm just stereotyping,
I don't
but
got no weapons on me.
stereotype never fails, bro.
Okay. So, what's your side?
I ain't got no side. I ain't got whatever she said is what it is. So whatever she want to do, let's do it.
And he acting
Let's
tough,
see how far she want to take it.
so, you know. But still,
Where's her
acorn, no, bro.
At her mom's house, you're saying?
Let's see how far she want to take it.
He's saying he just turned over her mom.
But if they got her story already, right? Which I'm pretty sure they did. Just put her in cuffs. If she don't want to cooperate, put him in cuffs. Like, see if she got any marks, bruises. If she don't, then I don't know, bro. I understand they gotta investigate to make sure he really did, but I don't know. But she ain't got no marks or bruises down there. Yeah.
What do you want to do?
Unless she witnessed it
My
too.
car.
Okay, I think it's at your mom's house is what he's saying.
How did he get here if it's at my mom's
I know.
house?
Can you call your mom to see if the car's there?
Yeah.
Okay.
She just called me.
Okay, and see if she's got the keys.
So I'll call
back. I'm gonna call my
Oh,
mom.
it's probably his sister.
Yeah, call her real quick.
I just want my car. I don't care about anything else. I'm over it. I've been with it for 3 years.
Yeah.
Mom, is my car at the house?
What?
Is my car at the house? I have the police here at Sheikah's house to get my car.
Man. It's crazy just because you know what's
It's
gonna
not at the
happen.
house? Okay. It's not home.
Okay.
Okay. I said you have my location, right? I'm on Green Acres. Yeah. But it's not at my house.
Okay. And mom's there right now.
My mom is there. She's coming here.
She's coming here. Okay.
Yeah. My car is not here. I mean, at my house, and I don't see it anywhere in the vicinity.
Did you have her look around?
Detain him, please. I
He
need an
did.
affidavit from
Said
you.
he did have
Okay.
fun.
That's where you're filling out that you're wanting to pursue charges. Okay.
So he probably did have it for real.
Where's our car?
Okay.
Where's our car?
He's in cuffs. She confirmed he did hit her. Witness saying he hit her. She wanna fall. She wanna fully go through. He most likely did hit her there. And he not cooperating, so he most likely did. How did y'all possibly shoot him? He's in cuffs. And he's in cuffs, I mean.
Marquise.
Can I talk to her?
No.
Can I talk to her more?
Mm-mm.
Her keys right here. Her keys right here. Can I give you her keys?
I'm sorry.
Have you ever filled out an affidavit with us before? Okay, so the suspect is going to be his information. This what's the narrative. That's going to be what happened, the incident, okay? And then all of this is going to be your information, all right? So don't sign this until I swear you to it, all right? Okay? If you have any questions, get with me or get with one of the deputies, okay? And don't listen to what he's running his mouth right now. Just let him run his fucking mouth. Okay. Also, need to provide her information about an injunction.
Alright, man, let's skip to a little bit ahead. Not too far. Right here, good
Like
enough.
any aftermarket
Like a silencer?
Mm-hmm. That's what that is.
I'm about to cry. But yeah, he has more than one weapon, and I just wouldn't think he'd have it in my car or toting it around
Okay.
or anything like that. But he's sending me a picture, threats, and I'm like, what is that? Me and her both trying to figure it out. Like, what is that? We couldn't even tell, but more than likely it probably is a weapon. And he's like, I'm gonna bust your whole shit up. Like, I'm gonna bust your windows. I'm gonna bust your radio, whatever. He's like, I'm gonna bust your whole shit. Like,
Okay.
by the time you get to your car, it's gonna be over with. And I'm like, okay. At this point, I want to be done with it. I don't
Yeah.
even want to entertain it, because he is known for playing games.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like, I need to show you, like, I'm not playing. I
Right.
want my car. That's that.
Facts.
I don't know what the fuck he has going on, but
What is she recording for, bro?
Get the picture. If she'll give it to you, because it looks like a silencer pushed up to the dash area. If you want to go ahead and transport him, I'll stay here and get the affidavit.
Okay. And then, just because you mentioned that.
I'm sorry, it took me so
No, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
Is there anything else I need to fill out?
So if you can tell me what the vehicle is and how much you think that it's valued at.
Like how much I paid for my car?
Yeah, or how much you think that it would value at right now.
Okay.
I want to see this, and I want to see the car.
Where is it?
1656 Hunt Club over here off MLK.
Heather Glenn.
Just put what you pay for, bro. Just put
Is
what you
that-
pay for.
The other place. That's those apartments. Like on that one road where the
So wait, so they found a car?
gas. He must have walked. How far is that? I mean,
I'd say about
walking-
2-3 miles.
Walking it's a little minute, but driving it's not too far.
I'm pulling out beautiful search.
Okay. Do you know your tag number off the top of your head? Okay,
don't.
it's okay.
What just happened?
What? Where? Right there?
Huh? Isn't he in cuffs? Am I tripping? I got so many questions, bro.
Jesse, are you okay? Get in the house! Get in the house! Jesse! Get back! Where is he?
In the car.
He's in the car?
43, give me traffic. Shots fired. I got a deputy
Bro,
down.
what? He's in the car. Bro. If he's in the car, he has to be cuffs. He has to be in cuffs.
Off of McLaren. We're off of McLaren. Shots fired. I got a deputy down. Jesse, how are you?
That's crazy, man.
Jesse, how are you? Okay. 43 SO, I need EMS. I need EMS on standby. Suspect is going to be in the vehicle. Where are you hit? Where are you hit? Get back! Get back!
I might have hit my vest.
Okay. Get back! I'm not going to tell you go! Get back! Get her! Get
Why
her
is she
back
getting?
now!
Why is she that close? Bro, I only heard one gunshot, bro. A gunshot is extremely loud. Even a camera could pick it up. And I only heard one. And that was his gun. Like, I don't want to say how you mistake that for a gunshot, bro. Anyway, some type of charge gotta be brought against, bro. Because they're trained for this type of stuff. You can't just mistake a Acorn for a gunshot. That don't even sound right.
Stay inside your house. Stay inside your house.
Do you have any movement? Stop right there.
Yeah.
I need to see bro point of view.
Do you see anything on my vest?
Okay, I'm assuming we're about to get to it.
Or are you feeling anything? Did you feel anything? My legs went numb when it hit me. All right.
What? Your legs went numb. Bro, he just wanted to kill something. That's all, bro. Your legs went numb when the Acorn fell on a car or something. Come on, bro.
I don't know. My legs went numb for a second. I heard a pop come from. Go this way. Can you move? Yeah. I got you, buddy.
Bro.
I'm pulling out beautiful search.
He know you messed up too. He has to be cuffed. They're not gonna put an uncuffed suspect in the back of a police car. You think bro finna turn around and boom, like, come on, bro, and hit you? Come on, bro.
Shots fired!
I didn't even hear nothing.
Shots fired!
Oh, what?
Shots fired! You know.
He just wanted to kill something. He just, bro, you can see if the window was cracked if a gunshot went in it, bro. Come on, bro. He just wanted to kill something for real.
I'm hit!
You're not hit.
What? I'm hit!
He's like, what?
In the car!
Man.
I was shot through the car! Oh!
Bro, come on, bro. This is a fat lawsuit, dude. It better be at least. There is no way you think you're hit.
I'm good. I feel weird, but I'm good.
We still live with it, man. And we're recording a YouTube video right now. There is no way you think you're hit, bro.
I'm good. I'm good.
He really think he's hit. You're not hit, dude.
I don't know.
So, if you get shot, trust me, you can feel where you hit at. Trust me. That's stream more entertainment. Hold on, I'm talking about that in the video. But yeah, trust me, if you get popped, you can feel where you hit at. How you gonna say, are you hit? I don't know. But you said he groaning and like, what? That don't make sense, bro. But yeah, put me on, bro. Whatever you said, you told me something. What I need to do then, put me on. Put me on game. He really think he hit. That's crazy. Alright, so they really brought all of this for a handcuffed person, bro.
Dude, am I hit?
Nah,
Let's get further back.
you gotta send that to me. Well, that's the end of this video, bro. In my personal opinion, bro would just kill hungry. He just wanted to kill someone for real. Like, I didn't hear nothing at all. I don't know if y'all heard anything, but I didn't hear nothing at all. But yeah, if you did enjoy the video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Leave a description for all my other socials, channels, all that other good stuff, man. I'm out.